Getting promoted feels like an impossible puzzle. You work hard, do everything right, and yet someone else gets the raise, the title, the recognition. Meanwhile, you're stuck in the same spot, watching people who seem less competent move ahead. I've been there, but after years of climbing the corporate ladder and seeing how promotions really work, I figured it out. In this video, I'll break down the exact steps to stand out, not just as a good employee, but as the obvious choice for promotion. By the end, you won't just hope for a promotion, you'll have a clear 4-step roadmap to make it happen. Most employees wait for a promotion. They think if they work hard enough, someone will notice. Here's the truth. Hard work alone doesn't get you promoted. Visibility does. Your boss isn't tracking every little thing you do. They're busy fighting their own battles, focused on their own career. If you're just silently doing your job, you're invisible. So let's fix that. Want to get promoted? Make your manager's job easier. Think about their biggest pain points. What's stressing them out? What's slowing them down? Now find a way to fix it. Maybe they're overwhelmed with reports, so you create a system that saves them an hour a week. Maybe the team has a bottleneck, so you proactively step up and solve it. The moment your boss sees you as someone who makes their life easier, you're no longer just another employee. You're an asset, and assets get promoted. But before you even ask for a promotion, you need to act like you already have it. Promotions don't go to people who can do the job, they go to people who already are. Look at the responsibilities of the job above yours. Start doing those things now. Take on cross-team projects that get you noticed beyond just your immediate team. If you're a junior employee, start leading initiatives. If you're a mid-level employee, start mentoring others. This does two things. It proves you're capable, and it makes your promotion the obvious choice. Keep a win sheet. A simple list of your achievements with outcomes, numbers, and positive feedback that you update each month. This will help you prove your impact when the time comes. Your work doesn't count if no one sees it. And your manager isn't your only audience. You need to be visible to decision makers. Speak up in meetings. Not just for the sake of talking. Share insights that add value. Send recaps after big projects to highlight what was achieved and what you contributed. Build allies at higher levels, people who can vouch for you when promotion discussions happen. In the final stage, position your promotion as the next logical step. Timing matters. Plan this conversation about 1 to 2 months before the promotion cycle. Send an impact summary built from your win sheet to your manager. This gives managers clear documented proof of your impact before discussions happen. When you meet, here's what you say. As outlined in my impact summary, here's the impact I've had beyond my role. Given that I'm already operating at the next level, I'd love to explore how we can formalize this with a promotion. This isn't begging, this isn't hoping, this is stating facts. At this point, you've already made yourself the clear choice. Now you're just asking to make it official. Promotions aren't about working harder. They're about working strategically. The strategy is simple, but putting it into action takes effort. So remember the 4 steps. Make leadership's life easier. Act like you already have the job. Make sure decision makers see your impact. Frame your promotion as the next logical step. Do this, and you won't just wish for a promotion. You'll be unstoppable. Now, whether or not you're ready for a promotion, you want to make sure you're paid what you're worth. Watch this next video where I break down how to negotiate your salary like a pro. Because getting the promotion is one thing, getting paid what you're worth is another.